Hello friends, welcome to this course on NX. In this lecture, we will know about shell command. So shell command is basically used to create the hollow feature, and it removes the one face and it provides the thickness to that part. Now to understand this, first of all let's create a part. So I go to extrude and go to sketch curve. And let's say I select this XY plane, click OK, and then I draw a rectangle. So center rectangle from this center like this, and go to finish the sketch, give it some height and click OK. Now we can see it is a complete solid part. So after that I am going to use the shell feature. So we can find the shell command inside this feature tab. Go to shell feature. Here it is showing multiple options. So it is showing remove faces and then shell all faces. I am selecting the first option, that is mostly used. Select remove faces. After that we need to specify the face which we want to remove. And then we need to provide the thickness. So let's say the thickness is 10. Select this top face and then click OK. Now let's see what happens. The top face has been removed and a hollow feature is created. And now we can see a thickness is also provided. So we had provided the value of thickness from here. So go to the shell once again, double click. This is the value of thickness. We can specify the direction of thickness. Right now it is going inward from the sketch. It is showing with this arrow. We can make it outward. Now from the sketch it is going outward. So let's say this is inward. So along with a single face, we can select multiple faces to create the shell. So here the face is selected. Zoom out and let's say I select this face. And now we can see this face also removed. Similarly, I can select this face and click OK. So in this way we can create this shell. Now go to this shell once again, double click here, and we can see one more option, that is alternate thickness. Right now we can see the same thickness is provided to the complete part. Now to provide a different thickness to a specific surface, what I can do is I go to alternate thickness and select the face. Go to select face. Now we need to select the face. So let's say I select this face. Now we can provide different thickness to this face. So let's say this value is 8, press enter and click OK. Now the thickness of this face is different from the other face. So in this way we can create multiple faces to create the different thicknesses. Now I go to the shell, right click, delete. Go to shell and select the option shell all faces. So select this complete body and click OK. So in this way we can use the shell feature.